Hello po kuya, happy birthday. Gambate po trabaho mo po ha. Ingat-ingat ka lagi po ha. Miss na tayo po yung mami, Ate Tonet, Baby Riley, Baby Rian po. I miss you. Happy birthday. Ma. Sasalita si mami po.
Okay, anak. Thank you. We're here, anak. Okay. What a mother can say for this special day, your birthday, anak. But first of all, I would like to say big thank you for someone who made this all things possible, to have our little greetings for you on this camp, and it's your wonderful, loving, nice wife. I owe it to her, and thank you for being nice, a wonderful daughter-in-law. Yes, thank you very much, anak. And it's your birthday today, my dear son. Happy birthday. We miss you a lot, and we are hoping to celebrate your birthday with us together. But it's so sad. We're just here giving you our greetings and our wish. I just want you to wish all the best, and I can't say exactly the words, but just stay being best, being thoughtful, lovable, and being a good man, and of course being so bright son. But I always been grateful being your mother, and I'm really proud for you, anak, and I'm always praying to guide you always in your decisions in your life, and I'm praying so hard to give you an amazing blessings, that God will bless you a good life, happiness that you deserve. We love you, anak, and we really missed you. God bless you always. Have fun and have a great day with your friends. And to all of you guys, thank you for your day, sharing and enjoying and celebrating the special day for my son. We really miss you a lot, and hope to see you next time together celebrating again the birthday of RJ. God bless you all, and have a nice day. Thank you.